In this video I'm gonna go and show you how to archive Reels on Instagram. Right in now I'm gonna open up Instagram here. And I can tap the profile link. And I'll walk you through a few different options you have in terms of removing or archiving Reels. So Instagram doesn't give you a direct way to archive just those Reels. However, there are a couple of other options to archive those. So open your Reel that you want to archive. Tap at 3 dots. And then I can remove from profile grid, so I can tap that button to remove it from my profile grid. And now you can see it is no longer in my profile grid, but just in my Reels, so it's kind of hide it from that profile grid. Again, it doesn't archive it, it's still in my Reels section. If again go to your Reel and click on 3 dots. You can delete this Reel if you don't want it on there anymore. You can tap Save to Camera Roll. And then delete it, and essentially that's saving it onto your phone and archiving it on your phone. And then it won't be on Instagram. But unfortunately there are limitations in terms of actually archiving those Reels. Instagram may come out with that in a future update, but currently it is not a feature.